Hey everybody, welcome to Timmy the Bunker Boy, coming at you with another episode from the bunker. When you see those stairs, you know it's Timmy time. You know what I'm saying? I used to say that at work at the auto zone I worked at before this all went crazy. Now here's Timmy the Bunker Boy coming at you with another great thing you could do in your bunker. Now, when you live in a bunker, you have to sleep on a cot. That's a hard bed that prisoners sleep on. Now, if you sleep on a cot too long, you get a backache. Now, the last thing you want is a backache when you're dealing with the apocalypse, all right, or some kind of bronchial virus. You want to make sure you feel good. So, Timmy's going to show you how to make yourself an airbed to alleviate the cot getting tough and hurting your back. All right. So now what you want to do is you want to take yourself an inner tube, like a pool in a tube. And you want to make sure that it's got the handles. You could get up. You're laying down, you're sleeping, you want to get up. I got to go to my pee bucket. Go to my pee bucket. So make sure that inner tube has handles on it. Now, also you want to make myself a diagram. Now, also what you want to do is you want to fill that with as many broken in Wrangler jeans as you can. And then old concert t-shirts like Hoobastank or Kiss. Made myself a little 311 pillow right there. Now, you want a rope on it so you could pull the bed around. You could pull it out of the area. But you can see here, Airbed version 1. Got your Wrangler jeans. Your inner tube. See there, the handles right there? See the handles? The handles right there. Now, that's a perfect bed for you to sleep on. And you want to do it. It's only big enough for one. My wife is not down here. I locked her out. She also did not want to come down here. She said Timmy was being crazy. But, you know, what am I going to do? As they say, case of beer, sir beer. You know what I'm saying? Oh, that's fun. Thank you so much. Leave in the comments below if you are still in your bunker. Please do not put your location of your bunker. Make sure you are in your bunker. And if you want to post some fun comments below about the bunker or any other bunker ideas you have for homemade bunker things. I'm Timmy the Bunker Boy. Stay safe. Don't leave.